Next, let's talk about battery life. One of the aspects that makes the EX10 series truly practical for daily use. We know that whether you are on the job site, performing routine inspections, or exploring thermal imaging at home, long-lasting power is essential. The EX10 is equipped with a high-capacity rechargeable battery that can provide continuous operations for over 10 hours. But achieving this long battery life isn't just about the battery itself. Thanks to our 12nm chip and the 2.4T computing power in the SoC, the device delivers higher performance while keeping power consumption low. This powerful combination allows the EX10 to run a large infrared display smoothly and clearly for extended periods, providing a reliable and uninterrupted thermal image experience. Now, let's move on to another key aspect of the EX10 series: convenience and data documentation. In many scenarios, capturing thermal images is just the beginning. Efficient recording, transmission, and analysis are equally important. The EX10 supports full video recording and playback, allowing you to review every detail of your inspection later. This is particularly useful for documenting work, sharing findings, or conducting follow-up analysis. The EX10 supports PC software for secondary analysis and data archiving. Users can adjust parameters, apply different color palettes, annotate images, and save comprehensive reports for future references. In addition, EX10 Pro provides extra convenience with UVC and Wi-Fi projection to mobile devices and a dedicated app, enabling remote viewing and collaborative inspection. Next, let's focus on our user experience and ergonomic advantages of the EX10 series. We designed the EX10 with a handheld comfort as top priority. The target weight for the device was set between 0.3 and 0.5 kilograms, based on extensive research into natural hand grip and comfort zones. Through multiple rounds of internal structure optimization and material iteration, we finally achieved a device weight of just 257 grams. To give you a sense of scale, that's roughly the weight of a half-standard bottle of water. Remarkably light for a high-performance thermal imaging device. This lightweight design not only reduces fatigue, but also makes the device feel almost effortless in your hand. Users can hold it steadily for long inspection sessions without discomfort, maintaining accuracy and control throughout. This is especially advantageous for users with small hands or less grip strength, who can now operate the device with maximal comfort. Beyond just weight, the EX10's ergonomics extend to every counter of the device. The curves, edges, and buttons placement have been carefully optimized to match the natural shape of your hand. Every millimeter has been considered to ensure a secure, light, comfortable grip, making the device feel like a natural extension of your hand. In short, the EX10 delivers a smooth, effortless, and intuitive user experience, letting professional and daily user alike focus on the task at hand rather than the tool itself. When you hold it, you immediately sense the difference. The perfect balance between lightness and control, designed to support extended, confident, and precise use. Let's take a closer look at home applications, where the EX10 truly shows its versatility. In HVAC systems, EX10 can quickly detect leaks and inefficiencies, helping to maintain comfort and energy efficiency. It's also ideal to detect water leaks and moisture accumulation, allowing homeowners to address issues before they cause damage. But that's not all. EX10 brings the power of thermal imaging to many aspects of daily life. For instance, it can check the insulation of walls and ceilings, detect areas where heat escapes, and help improve energy efficiency in your home. Door and window sealing is another key area. By spotting air leaks, you can reduce energy costs and enhance overall comfort. Additionally, EX10 can assist in electrical inspection at home. Overheating outlets, poorly insulated wiring, or hotspots in appliances can be quickly identified, preventing potential hazards. Even in kitchen or bathroom, it can detect temperature anomalies in water pipes or underfloor heating systems. By using thermal imaging across these different areas, EX10 empowers homeowners to take proactive measures, save energy, ensure safety, and maintain comfort, turning complex inspections into simple, intuitive tasks. Now, let's look at industrial applications, especially handheld scenarios where mobility and quick response are critical. The EX10 is designed as a portable, easy-to-use tool for engineers, maintenance personnel, and inspection teams. In equipment inspections, it allows users to quickly scan motors, pumps, and mechanical systems to detect overheating friction points or abnormal thermal patterns. Early detection of such anomalies helps prevent unexpected downtime and costly repairs. On production lines, EX10 can monitor temperature-sensitive process in real time. By spotting hotspots or irregular heat distribution, operators can adjust processes on the fly, ensuring consistent quality and operational efficiency. Handheld thermal inspection is also ideal for electrical panels, control cabinets, and small-scale industrial installations. Detecting overheated components, loose connections, or insulation issues becomes faster and safer with EX10, since users can operate it at a distance while still getting accurate readings. By combining portability, precision, and thermal visualization, EX10 empowers industrial teams to perform proactive inspections, reduce risk, and maintain smooth production operations, bringing professional-level monitoring into a compact, handheld device. Now that you've seen the key features and highlights of EX10, let's dive a bit deeper. I'll hand over to Fletcher, who will answer some of the most common questions from our viewers.
Thank you, Peter, for the wonderful introduction. As we can see, our online audience is very excited, and we will get some of the most important questions. Let's dive in and address them. The first question: what makes EX10 stand out from other thermal cameras in the market? Well, the EX10 really stands out because it's all about balance. It combines portability, great performance, and an affordable price. Whether you are a pro in the field or just someone wanting to check out thermal imaging at home, EX10 gives you a top-tier quality without breaking the bank. The next question: how does EX10 handle extreme temperatures or outdoor conditions? The EX10 is built to take on whatever outdoors throws at it, whether it's blazing heat or freezing cold. This device can handle high and low temperatures, plus dust and moisture. So, whether you are on a construction site or doing an outdoor inspection, it got you covered. The next question: can EX10 be used for residential purpose? What are some home use cases? Absolutely, the EX10 is perfect for home inspections. For example, it can help you to check your HVAC system, find hidden water leaks, and even spot areas where heat is leaking from walls. It's also great for finding overheating outlets or pipes, helping you catching potential issues before they becoming costly problems. The next question: what training or support is available for first-time users of thermal cameras? We will make sure that EX10 is super easy to use, even for beginners. It has a simple interface, and the display is clear and intuitive. Plus, there are built-in tutorials and guides. If you ever need extra help, we offer video tutorials detailed documentations, and even direct support from our team of experts. Next question. How does EX10 compare to other devices in terms of battery life and efficiency? The EX10 shines when it comes to battery life. Thanks to its efficient 12-micron chips, it has a long-lasting battery life that can run over 10 hours. So you don't have to worry about your device running out of juice halfway through an inspection. It's built to keep up with long working hours without any interruptions. The next question. Can I customize the temperature ranges and setting on the EX10? Yes, you can definitely do that. EX10 lets you adjust temperature ranges to fit your needs and set alarm thresholds for when temperature reach certain levels. Whether you are doing an inspection or a quick check, you can tailor it to match the environment and task at hand. The next question. Will there be software updates for EX10 after the purchase? Yeah, the EX10 will receive regular software updates after purchase. This means you will always have the latest features, improvements, and security patches. Keep the device up to date and performing at its best for years to come. Final question. If you have to choose 3 words to describe the EX10, what would they be? Expeditious, because it's quick and efficient with fast response. Extended, because it's versatile for multiple applications. Exceptional, because it's reliable and precise, even in harsh environments.
Alright everyone, it's time for the moment you have been waiting for. The price review. In North America, Japan, and South Korea, it's just $129. And for our friends in Europe, it will be $169. Be sure to follow Racing's official channel for more updates. For more information or to place your order, simply reach out to our local partners.
Thank you all for your incredible enthusiasm and participation. Today, we have shared EX10's design, key innovations, and real-world applications. The EX10 handheld thermal camera is more than just a collection of features. It's a complete upgrade in performance, ease of use, and versatility. We have combined advanced technology with practical needs, ensuring every feature truly solves problems and improves efficiencies. At this launch event, we have not only shared the technical strengths of EX10, but also felt enthusiasm from our global audience. More and more people are discovering how thermal imaging brings convenience and efficiency. The EX10 delivers precise thermal imaging, and that's what keeps us excited and motivated to keep innovating. If this is the first time seeing the EX10, we hope you will now have a clear understanding of what it can do. And for those who have been with us since the beginning, we hope today's demo has strengthened your trust in our future products. The EX10 isn't just a professional tool, it's a daily companion, the eye that helps you to see the unseen in everyday life. Looking ahead, Racing will continue to innovate. We will keep expanding our lineup, bringing intelligent optical sensing technology to more people in more ways. Our goal is simple: to create technology that makes life and work easier, smarter, and more efficient. Thank you again for joining us. We wish you all a wonderful day.